everybody, it's Pat Fisher. Welcome to 2120 North Berendo Street in the fabulous area of Los Feliz, California. This is a wonderful 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath home, over 3,300 square feet, sitting on a lot that's over 6,400 square feet. This home has been completely renovated, redesigned, remodeled. It's really, really beautiful. Plus, they left a lot of the original characteristics of the home, as you can see by the beamed wood ceiling right behind me. We have 3 ensuite bedrooms out of this 5-bedroom home, so we have primary suites upstairs and downstairs. The floor plan here flows seamlessly. The kitchen is done beautifully, and the entire house is just gorgeous. You can see these beautiful double sliding glass doors behind me. They lead out from the back den to the beautiful indoor-outdoor living space in the backyard. It's a great yard, very private, very quiet. You'll love it. The garage is great. It's been remodeled as well. It's like brand new. It's semi-finished, so you can use it as flex space for a workout room, an office, or just extra living space. It can also be used as a 2-car garage. In addition to the 2-car garage, there's enough parking here for about 4 additional cars. It's great. Text me, email me, call me, come by and see it.